Hey guys, I just realized I had to make a video, so I thought I'd just grab my camera and start filming. That's better. Why is it so unfocused? Why is it so unfocused? You know? Oh, I don't think I'm blurry. So I guess I don't know. I guess school was okay. I didn't really mind school. It was my first day back that was a full day. But can't I click on anything? Right. Everything on my browser is dying. Go to my name. But yeah. So I want to ask you guys, what was your favorite, or what was your worst time ever? Like, what was the worst thing you went through? Alright guys, see you later.